If you're still answering frequently asked questions for your customer manually, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to build an AI assistant for your biotechnology service business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry and questions related to biotechnology. Replying each question individually and efficiently would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where our new feature, AI Assistant, make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to build a WhatsApp chatbot powered by an AI agent specially designed for an online store management software business. This chatbot can handle customer query, guide user through onboarding process with explaining various features, even troubleshooting basic issue automatically. So yes, let's dive in and build a smart support system on WhatsApp. As you can see, I have already created a WhatsApp chatbot using AI Assistant on Pabbly Chatflow. First, I'm going to show you how it's work in real time. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web, and here I'm going to type a message which says I need help, and with that they have responded me with a message which says I understand, please let me know what specific help you need and I will do my best to assist you. Over here I'm going to enter my query like what technology do you use in your lab. As soon as I have entered my message, they have responded me with the answer which says our lab is equipped with various advanced technology including PCR machine, NGS flow cytometer, HPLC and CRS-PR tool. If you have question about a specific technology or need more information, feel free to ask. I'm going to ask another question. Do you offer training or internship? As soon as I have entered my question, they have responded me with an answer which says, yes, we offer hand-on training, workshop and internship in area like molecular biology, bioinformation, and research technology. If you are interested in more detail about the program or how to apply, let me know. Here I'm going to add another question which is, do you provide home testing or remote sample collection? Again, they have responded me with an answer which says, yes, for selected diagnostic service, we offer home collection kit or doorstep sample pickup option. If you need more information on how to request this service, let me know. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is answering all my question and query without any manual effort. That's the power of AI chatbot. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are two options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, but as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are two options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chat Flow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, Setting, and Get Help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building AI Assistant. For that, I need to click on AI Assistant, and you will be landed on this page. Here you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer questions, solve problem, and engage with your customer. To create a new AI assistant, you need to click on add AI assistant, and after that you need to give a meaningful name. As we are making this AI assistant for biotechnology service business, I will name it that, and I'm going to click on add AI assistant. As soon as we are landed on this page, the first step, we need to select our AI instruction. As you can see, there are several type of AI instruction available, such as AI agent, customer support, sales agent, and many more. You can choose any one of them based on your specific need. Today I'm going to choose AI agent. Once I have selected my instruction type, I receive a few guidelines that explain how the AI train and how it's going to work. This instruction includes how the AI will respond to user by solving issue, replying efficiently, and listening attentively to their need. Now we need to set up AI configuration. One of the key setting here is the temperature. A temperature 0 means focus and 1 means creative. Today I'm going to set my temperature to 0.3. Keep the response focus and slightly adaptable. Next, we need to select AI model or platform that we use to generate the response. After that, I'm going to select my model as GPT-4o Mini, which is a cost-effective model. Then I will enter my API token. To get API token, simply visit OpenAI API key page and generate your API key, which you will need to enter over here. As you can see, I have entered my API key. Now I'm going to connect. As you can see, I got a message that OpenAPI key is successfully made. Now I will move forward. Below API token, we have AI assistant setting where you can customize message such as header message, a footer message, or a fallback message. In this case, I'm going to set a fallback message which will trigger whenever the AI assistant do not receive or understand a correct response from the user. As you can see, I have entered my message which says, sorry, I do not quite understand that. I can assist you with information about our biotech service such as genetic testing, DNA sequencing, PCR analysis, sample tracking, or consultant request. Please try asking something like, how do I book a genetic test, or can I request a quote or a research project? If you still need help, feel free to contact our scientific team at support@yourbiotechlab.com. We are happy to assist you. Now that we are completed our AI instruction setup, let's move forward to the knowledge base source. Here I need to upload knowledge source in the text format. This file will serve the reference for the AI assistant, and it will use the information to generate accurate and relevant response. As you can see, my file is uploaded successfully. Now let's move on to the next step, which is assistant interface. Here you will need to enter header display name, which will appear on the top of the chatbot window like this. Then add a subheading. For example, we are online and happy to assist you. Below that, enter the initial message which will be automatically sent when a customer triggered the chat. You also have an option to choose whether or not you want to display the label in the chat window. Next, you can provide your company footer text and footer link. The final step in this section is to set the trigger message. This is the phase a customer send to initiate the conversation like, I need help. Now let's move to styling, which is our next step. Here you can customize the look and feel of your assistant by changing the theme mode, assistant shape, background color. You also have an option of changing profile picture, background image to give personalized touch to your chat interface. I'm going to keep it as it is. On to our last step, don't forget to active your chatbot and save your AI assistant. As you can see, I got a message that AI assistant saved successfully. That means it is ready to work in real time. For that, again, we need to open WhatsApp web, and I'm going to clear my previous chat. Over here, I'm going to enter message I need help. As soon as I have entered my message, they have responded me with a message which says, of course, I'm here to help. What do you need assist with? Here I'm going to ask a question. Can I use your service for academic thesis or project? With that, they have responded me with a message which says, yes, you can definitely use our service for academic thesis or project. We assist student and research with the sample processing, experimental design and report generation tailored to your academic need. If you have specific requirement or question, feel free to share. As you can see, this chatbot is successfully responding me. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.